In recent years, many low-cost, easy-to-integrate microprocessors have flooded the market, delighting the maker community. Arduino, Raspberry Pi, and many others. However, one key problem is how to safely control high voltage in the real world. Currently, there are no simple solutions on the market for makers to safely enclose their projects that switch household electricity. Bare wires running into relays and uninsulated boxes pose significant risks.
The ControllerX Smart Switch has been designed right from the start as a global solution to control all of your appliances. Our focus has been getting you from the workbench safely into the real world. That's why we've given you everything you need right in the box.
Every Arduino developer knows the Blink example project. Turbocharge it with safe control of household voltage. In this example, ControllerX maintains the pull pump timer, switching on and off as per a program schedule. Should the pump develop a fault, ControllerX can detect the abnormal current flow and safely switch the system off and alert the owner. With ControllerX, you can control anything around your home and farm, safely and with complete microprocessor control. Pumps, lighting, heating and cooling.
Dan and I have the ControllerX prototypes and we're ready to go. With your orders, we can bring ControllerX to life. Your projects will be safe and look amazing. Maybe you want to save some money, or maybe you want to make some money with the ControllerX as the base of your product. The most exciting part for Dan and I is watching a community build around ControllerX and watching you embed your solutions into the real world. Design smart, build safe, ControllerX.